Welcome back to Bikes Explained, your one-stop channel for everything two wheels. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Bajaj Pulsar RS 200, a bike that's held its ground in the Indian performance segment for years. Has Bajaj done enough to keep it fresh in 2026? Let's find out. Design and styling updates. At first glance, the RS 200 retains its aggressive and sporty silhouette, but there are some subtle yet sharp design updates. The 2026 version now features a revised front fascia with sleeker dual LED projector headlights, integrated DRLs, and aerodynamic enhancements around the fairing. New color schemes and body graphics give it a refreshed visual appeal without straying too far from its iconic RS identity. Performance and engine. Under the fairing, the heart remains the same, a 199.5 cubic centimeters, liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine. However, Bajaj has fine-tuned the ECU and improved the gear ratios slightly, resulting in a smoother power delivery. The bike continues to deliver 24.5 PS and 18.7 Newton-meters, making it a strong performer in its segment. The 6-speed gearbox remains crisp and responsive, ideal for both daily commutes and weekend thrills. Ride and handling. The RS 200 has always been known for its planted ride, and 2026 brings further refinements. Suspension duties are now handled by updated USD front forks, offering better feedback and stability. The perimeter frame remains rigid, while dual-channel ABS comes standard, ensuring confident braking. The MRF tires now feature a revised compound for better grip across varying conditions. Features and tech. Bajaj has taken a step forward by introducing a fully digital TFT console with smartphone connectivity, turn-by-turn navigation, and real-time vehicle diagnostics. The switchgear has also been upgraded for a more premium feel. While it may not match the tech-loaded premium bikes, for its price point, the RS 200 packs more features than ever before. Pricing and final verdict. With a slight bump in price, the 2026 Bajaj Pulsar RS 200 sits comfortably as a value-for-money sport bike. It might not be revolutionary, but the updates keep it relevant and competitive. If you're a fan of the Pulsar legacy or looking for a reliable performance bike under 2 Indian rupees lakh, the RS 200 still deserves a serious look. Outro. Thanks for watching. That wraps up our deep dive into the 2026 Bajaj Pulsar RS 200. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. This is Bikes Explained, and we'll see you in the next ride. Ride safe.